Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional not in 2 days a newspaper of Friday March the 11th 2022. Now I've told you in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve in the edition of the Tuesday, March the 8th, 2022. And I've already solved 4 puzzles. The Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic. Yes, Tectonic number 4247. 4247. Alright, before I start with the Tectonic, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And for a one-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here in this puzzle the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. There is no single, one single box here. Single box is always a 1. Then dual boxes. I see here a dual box. There, dual box, it contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Only 2 dual boxes. Triple box. I see here a triple box. Only 1 triple box. Yeah. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this one, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have 2 boxes left in this triple box. The 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those numbers. Following question, quadra boxes. I see here, quadra box. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box, that is the inside box of this L-shaped figure, or quadra box, is always a 5. This one, always a 5. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and the 3. Okay. Here another one, quadra box. So the inside box of the L-shaped quadra box is always a 5. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there.
Wil je gelijk opruimen?
Ja.
Huh?
Ja. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures. How about this L shape? Here another L shape. The L shape, let me draw the L shape. Here we have an L shape. The L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has always the same number as that box. 2 L shapes. We have a T shape, upside down. T shape. This box has always the same number as that box. This box has always the same number as that box. But also that box has always the same number as this box. That box always the same number as this box. We have a S or Z construction. Let me draw this here. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box, always the same number as that box. But also, that box has always the same number as this box. That box always the same number as this box. Then we have one figure here. Let me draw this here. This box has always the same number as that box. So this, in this case, the 1 or a 3. Last figure, this box, or this figure, this box has always the same number as that box. Oh wait, 5 figures. There are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have 5. Well, I filled this one. We have 6 of those figures. Forgot that one. This box is always the same number as that box. I've already filled in the 4, yeah. There are 6 figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have all the 6. Alright, so why you need to recognize those shapes or figures? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. Alright, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. Then 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. Oh. Did I make a mistake? I need a 1 here. 1 and a 3. Did I make a mistake here? This cannot be correct. That means that this box can also not be a 1. So here I made a mistake. It started here. So where did I make a mistake? So this cannot be right. Okay, I believe, yeah, the 2 and the 3 here. Yeah. Yeah, we made a mistake. 2 and a 3 are missing. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 and a 3. Well, you just saw this. Cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Complicated. Well, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, so 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a pair here. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 3. Okay. That means these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be 2. This back box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. That means that box cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. 1 and a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for this box. I cannot place a 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1, and that box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 1. 4 and a 5, okay. These 2 boxes cannot be 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. In this area, we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Here we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there, and the 5 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers a 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. 4 and a 2, 4 and a 2. Okay.
啲水係咪你煲㗎？煲咗又唔沖。
Yeah.
喂，你幾時收嘢啊？
Interruption, yes. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Yeah. Cannot fill this yet. This box should be a 3 because it can be 1, cannot be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4 in the same area, and can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Could be faster. Interruption. Okay. Well, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. It's weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.